HubSpot or ClickUp, two giants of productivity and growth, but which one really delivers? On the left, HubSpot, the all-in-one CRM and marketing powerhouse, and on the right, ClickUp, the ultimate project management and productivity platform. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to what really matters. Every category earns points, and by the end, you'll see who truly leads in 2025. The result might surprise you. Real quick, here's how we're gonna compare these two. We'll look at core functionality, CRM and contact management, project and task management, marketing automation, integrations and ecosystem, price and scalability, and finally, user experience and learning curve. So kinda everything you'd care about, right? Alright, here's your mind map, let's dive in. Starting with core functionality, HubSpot is that all-in-one powerhouse. Like the CRM tools here, pretty legendary. You get sales, service, CMS, automation, the whole 9 yards. But here's the catch. Project management is kinda basic compared to what ClickUp offers. Now on the flip side, ClickUp is a project management beast. Advanced tasks, goal tracking, Gantt charts, Kanban boards, timeline views, the works. But the CRM and marketing automation, not nearly as deep as HubSpot. So yeah, depending on if you need CRM at the center or tasks everywhere, it's a tie for core features. They just approach it differently. Next, CRM and contact management. And oof, this is where HubSpot just flexes. You get a scalable CRM up to 1 million contacts, which is wild, and all your sales and marketing data is super connected. Only thing is, collaborating on tasks here is kind of stiff. Now, if we peek at ClickUp, you do get custom tags and statuses to track leads, and customer data is super lightweight. But honestly, it's just not a full CRM, more like a handy list of people. So yeah, HubSpot clearly takes the win here. Alright, project and task management time. So HubSpot does let you link tasks to contacts or deals, which is kinda cool if your workflow is very marketing driven. But here's the thing, you're manually entering every task and only one person can really own a task. Teamwork takes a hit. With ClickUp though, it's a different game. Multiple assignees, time tracking baked in, tons of ways to customize everything. It even handles complicated workflows like a champ. Now the learning curve is real, especially if you're setting up something complex. The price of power, right? Still, if projects are your priority, ClickUp just wins this hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know HubSpot actually started as a blogging tool? Yup, and ClickUp, it was built out of pure frustration with siloed project management. Just a reminder, these tools were shaped by totally different visions. Switching gears to marketing automation, HubSpot is, let's be honest, a monster here. Complete suite, advanced segmentation, powerful analytics, all those shiny campaign tools. So if marketing is even half your focus, it's overkill in the best way. Maybe too much for some teams, but wow, ClickUp, you gotta rely on integrations to do anything like that, and the tools are basic at best. No contest, HubSpot's your winner. Let's talk integrations and ecosystem. HubSpot plays nice with basically everyone, Salesforce, MailChimp, over 1,000 apps. And the cool thing is, it feels unified across all modules. You're not piecing together Frankenstein software. It can get pricey as you add more, but still impressive. On the ClickUp side, it stacks great with plenty of productivity tools, Zapier, Slack, Google Workspace, and so on. But sometimes you'll need outside bridges for certain connections, and that can get tedious. Still solid, but HubSpot edges this one out for sheer power. Okay, price and scalability, this one's important, right? HubSpot does give you a free tier and a ton of growth features, but man, it gets expensive fast if you go premium. Not the friendliest for budget, especially as you add on. ClickUp though leans hard into value, a free forever plan, unlimited users, and affordable upgrades that unlock basically the full management suite. Price can climb if you go wild with integrations, but honestly, ClickUp is the easy win for scaling teams or anyone watching their wallet. Lastly, user experience and learning curve. HubSpot's interface is modern, unified, it just feels nice to use. Onboarding, especially for CRM or marketing stuff, is pretty smooth. If you want easy, you got it. ClickUp gives you customization galore, which is awesome if you want your workspace to fit exactly how your team operates. But I gotta say, it can feel overwhelming and sorta cluttered, especially during that setup and onboarding phase. More effort but more control. Still, HubSpot's got the upper hand for overall user experience. You know what, let's take a quick visual break and look at how they stack up overall. Here's a radar chart that lays out the category scores so you can actually see their strong points. HubSpot owns CRM, marketing, and integrations, but ClickUp rules project management and price. Looks pretty clear, right? So, bottom line, if you want world-class CRM and marketing muscle and you're all about growth, HubSpot is the way to go. But if your life revolves around complex projects, task workflows, and you want max flexibility, ClickUp totally makes sense. Both are excellent, honestly, just depends which headache you need solved more. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.